we can start putting some menus over here. And this would be UV add, right? And we can do like this. And this will be add a dependency. Transient nil, we can do add menu, and now we need to define the add menu. We can take a small one to get started. So we have a prefix, which is pretty good because we can probably try to do the at point here as well. So we will do a prefix probably. So this will be add, right? And we can do the add menu, and then we're gonna need an add command, right? So this is to do. Oh, this is pretty cool. No? Is it yellow again now? Oh, I don't know how I triggered that. That was pretty cool though. Okay, so let's try to integrate this. This will be an add prefix init. I want to change song though. I'm not in the mood for this. Maybe this. Let's do Freebird. I like to put on Freebird. So okay, we have the add menu, add command. So what we need to do is just check in our dummy project. We can start up eat. We can do UV add and then -- help to have an idea what we want to include. So what do we have? UV add and then packages or -- requirements. So okay, so we can have a requirements option. I guess it's either one of them. You cannot really have both. We have the no cache and refresh that we already implemented for the other commands, and also the Python one. So those ones we can easily include immediately. So let's go find them. Let's see, no cache. Right, we can just copy this and where was that? I thought I left a mark there. Add menu, yeah, here. Let's leave a mark here so I can jump back here whenever I want. So we have no cache, refresh these ones, and now we can start thinking of the specific ones to add. So we said we have a -r for the requirements, which will be like this. And this one, we can probably make it a proper one with a reader, right? So we need our reader with this one that will probably use the project root, right? But for now, let's just keep track of it. Yeah. Requirements, we have dev optional, add the requirements to the specified optional dependency group. Oh, okay. Then editable, add the requirements as editable, raw sources, no sync, locked, frozen. Oh, these as well we already used, so I can probably just go pick them up. Yeah. Frozen. Command. All right. Then these ones we can get rid of. I would say let's add just the dev optional, editable, no sync. Dev optional, editable, no sync. Can I can probably just go ahead and do this. No, I don't want the raw sources. Oh, I wanted dev. Yeah, right. Okay. So I can add this. Oh no. How do I add it without doing this overwrite? Hex region. Yank? No, it wasn't yank. Well, like this is fine as well. I just need to fix it up a little. Then which other ones we said? The optional, no sync. Optional, no sync. Nice. Oh, copied all of this ugly space. So we have this right? This can be D, maybe, right? This can be O. And this can be E. Oh, I already picked optional. And no sync can be NS, right? Nice. Nice. So these are all the, not really arguments, they are the options. So let's call them options. Options. And I think the optional is the only one that needs to have an argument. Yes, optional. Very well. Then we have the resolver options. Upgrade, allow package upgrades, upgrade package, pre-release, reinstall, all packages. We can maybe include these resolver options. These two seem like they can be useful, right? And like this, let's close this here. And this can be a U. And oh, no. Ah, man, I have this muscle memory of just going to the end today. I have no idea why. Okay, this can be just AP, and this like this. Wait. Do I need to? Yes, I need to provide a specific package. This one is just a Boolean, so that's good. This is all fine and dandy. Do I have to add these installer ones? Probably just these two. Can just do the same. Hey, how you doing? Just making transient menus. It's like office work almost. How you been doing? Nice. You hear from the Emacs chat? Yes, transient is pretty nice. Oh, Mastodon, nice. So, in case you're not up to date, what I'm doing is just this is going to be RA and this RP. I'm just making a transient menu for UV. There's a it's a package manager, relatively new package manager for Emacs, for Python, and it's pretty good. It's a pretty good package manager. So I also saw that there was nothing about it in Melpa, so I thought, why not? Let's just do this. Someone's gotta take the hit and get parentheses paralysis doing transient menus. Right. So this is one of the last commands that I have to add. Yeah. Do you use Python? Do you program in Python? Yeah, I think I need the same. Yada yada yada. Oh, closure. Oh, Basil LSP or Basil P. Let me read it from the chat buffer. I've been having fun with Basilisp. She's a closure. Yeah, yeah, Basilisp. Implementation of Python. Oh, this looks pretty cool. Nice. Huh. I haven't done much closure. I tried it out quite a long time ago, to be honest, but I would really like to work with something like that. Python gets a little bit tedious after a long time, but it's also pretty cool. Like you can get things done quite quickly in Python. Right. So let's just copy this, but we're not going to format the path. I'm probably going to format if I format the requirements, that is bad because requirements should be optional. So I'm gonna have to add the arguments, and here I'm gonna put the. Is there a P? I think there is a P of Python. PA, and this is U. So this is UP, and oh, I'm gonna turn off repeat mode. UPG, and this is UPG 1. Can I use 1? Nice, but yeah. So, but anyway, what do you mainly do with this Basilisp? Is this I really wonder what can you what users do you have for that? Because I've tried to use Common Lisp for some stuff, but I can never get anything like production. This is what I use for CTFs, which are like hacking games. Oh, nice. All the tooling for that is in Python. Yeah, yeah, I would imagine so. Yeah. So is it like those hack the box kind of thing? And this is going to be package. equal. But this is going to be changed probably. Yeah, I work mainly with Python in data science stuff and backend pipeline kind of things. I've also worked with it with backend APIs. I like it, but I gotta say I've had a lot of fun with Golang as well. I don't know if you ever worked with Golang, but I think Golang is probably what Python should have been, kind of, or what people wish that Python was, maybe. So let's make some proper transient arguments for these. Right. So let's see. I want to do requirements choice, right? And here I think I can do complete read. I mean, I did it last time, I think. What was that? Oh, read file name. Yeah, read file name on the prompt. Take me back. Yes. I used to main Go back in the day. Oh. The feedback look is too high. It's not very expressive. Yeah, that is that is true. Oh, it's a hard disagree on that. Oh, well, yeah. I don't know. When you do backend work, especially with APIs, you wish you had the type, all the type restrictions that you get with Go, and you don't really get with Python. So at least that was the big seller for me. And also the Go routines are pretty cool. Like all the insane amount of things that you can do with those, and it's all built in, and it's kind of lacking that in Python. So yeah. Right. So we can add this one. And we said that it was going to be -r requirement file path. Okay. So we can just use this one in, where was it? In here, right? So now the package, at least I think this is how it's supposed to work. Well, I need to make a command anyways, a UV add command, so better do that first. Let's make a very basic one. Just gonna have it all empty. Have it all empty like this. Oh no, it's gonna complain, isn't it? Add right? 1A. So that it's self-contained, no libc dependency. Oh yeah, I mean that's kind of yeah. How I managed to go to definition and it source on the way down. There's this call, whereas most other languages use a libc wall or something. Yeah, that is true. Yeah, that is true. And have you so you switch from Golang to Clojure then, right? That's a pretty nice jump. Anyways, I would say. I will keep this like this just for the sake of checking whether the oh, I didn't evaluate. Okay, looks like it evaluated everything. UV what? Oh no, I broke some. Did this broke everything? Break everything? Yes, it did. Oh man. Okay, let's try again. UV, here it is, menu. Do I have an add dependency? Yes, I do. Non-symbolic suffix command. No. Okay. We add non-symbolic suffix command. What's wrong with this? Add command options. It's here. Is it a parentheses thing? No, no, it's not. Oh, it's probably just really this. Could it be this? The rest looks fine. Menu, add, non-symbolic suffix command, nil. Oh man. Where is it? It's here. Parentheses here? No. What's the issue then? Oh, is it because I don't have the right amount of arguments being parsed here? I don't think so. I don't think that's possible. That it checks all the way down to that. This requirements choice. Oh, it's this. No, it's not this one. Non-symbolic sounds like you forgot to quote something. Yeah, that is true. It sounds like that, but it's not. I don't think it's that. Oh, yes, it is that. It is that. Oh, no, it's not that. Because this one I just removed and it was quoted indeed. And it was the only thing that I believe needed to be quoted, right? The init function. Is it maybe even what am I missing? Okay, so an add menu. This looks like any other menu. I don't know, is it maybe too much stuff? It's probably the command, right? because the message says, what's the message? Non-symbolic suffix command, right? So it's the suffix command, and add command. That's this one. Let's complain about this one. You know what? And nice. Because I just want to check if so far I've done everything okay. Non-symbolic suffix command. Maybe one of these is wrong and I cannot see it. Oh, yes, I saw it. Hi, how you doing? I wish I knew Emacs. Yeah, me too. That's me in this moment. Yeah, it was this. It was missing this. You see? I want all the knowledge without putting in the effort. Yes, that would be nice. Yeah. Yeah, the tutorial command is also a pretty good point to begin with, but it would be nice to just have floppy disks uploading all the knowledge like in the Matrix, right? You can just do Emacs tutorial in your head and it's just gonna be evaluated and that's it. Let's see, I'm pretty sure it was this. No, wrong tab. And where is the buffer here? Let's try it out again. Key sequence starts. Oh, okay. I made a sequence that's not compatible. That sounds like a proper mistake, right? Let's see which ones are not compatible. Oh, these two. So, oof. I'm thinking of how to call it, like what short key to give it. That can be. If I can do UPK. Let's just do it like this, right? And this should be fine. Hey, but if you want to, I can just do again a Emacs tutorial series. I did one last year that went pretty nicely, also because I myself learned a bunch of stuff doing that. So I basically went through all the manual, and then I did the same thing with the eLisp manual. So last year I did the Emacs, like, for usage manual, and then the eLisp manual. I didn't do all of it, like I didn't do the setup email stuff or things like those. I did like the movements. No, not the whole manual. Yeah. It wasn't the whole manual, but it was all the movement stuff, registers, and it was a lot of it actually. But it was mainly the basic movements and functions and things to manipulate text and things like those. And then the eLisp one also I did. There are two eLisp manuals. One is more like practical than the other, and the practical one I did basically. I believe I did all of it, if I remember correctly. It was a year ago, so I think it was a year ago. But yeah, and still I get lost with that. Oh, 1 second. I am back. There was a small spider emergency. Yeah. So let's see. But yeah, as I was saying, I can do that again, and I would actually quite like to do that again. What was I trying to do? Wait, I need to evaluate. So let's test this now again. UV menu, A to add. Nice, I got all of my options. You can see. I don't know how I can order them in a different way. Like I want this next to this. I know that there's some way that you can do that. But yeah, for now it just works. That's fine. That's what I care about. And we can actually try to have the init now, just to see if it works at all. Right? Right. Forgot to evaluate. And menu, add. Oh, it's not working. Yeah, but if you guys would be interested in that, I can totally redo it. I don't mind, because I forget stuff about Emacs all the time. So kind of like brushing up on all the knowledge. Also the eLisp stuff. Maybe I can do the advent of code in eLisp. That would be fun. I think it's coming out soon, right? It's gonna come out in like probably a week or two. So advent of code in eLisp, or maybe with macros, right? Just keyboard macros. That would be fun. Let's see. Why are you not working? Oh, because it's path. Obviously, that's not gonna work. And it's actually going to be requirements.txt, right? This is a little bit hard-coded, but you know, it's better than nothing. Add. Nice. It is there. Oh, you guys cannot see it completely, probably, but it is there. Worry not. Let's see. Oh, actually, let me do this. What if I do this? Yes. So now you can see it. Yeah, it is there. And if I do -R, oh no, I don't get prompted. Let's fix that. This should be a quick fix. It's probably something very silly that I should have changed. So this is the reader that I should use. It's kind of the path one. And so it should be straightforward. Add argument? No? Oh, gee. Add menu, add prefix, requirements choice. Here. Right. Requirements choice. I'm actually just gonna put the R. I think it's gonna be fine. This this should work. Okay. Oh, that's why I put the dash in the R. Oh, I deactivated. And then if I run it again, then I can select and it's the right directory. So that's pretty good. So everything works as expected. We have a bunch of arguments though. And how can I do this package thing? I think the init will have a bunch of logic in this one. Because what I want to do is check what I have at point. And not this one, this init, but this one. If I have a, if at point I have a string or something like that, then I want to try and use that as package input. Otherwise, I use the I do the requirements. Let's see. Can you do multiple ones with this prefix? Let's see. Transient define prefix. Is there any init mention? No. Let's go see. Init, what was it? Init value. Init value. So it looks like it's only one. I can set up only one. At least that's what it looks like. Then I don't know. So we can probably come up with something for that. This is a list, so probably I can just add to this and somehow it's going to be mapped, right? At least that's my hope. So what I can do here is just, can I just try a string? Just dash dash optional equal test. Let's try this. Oh no. Yeah, here I am. Add. Oh yeah, it works. Okay, okay. So there's hope. So let's do it like this. I have a path. Not a path, a package, right? Is it a package thing? How did I call it? Package, but I already have package. No, I have upgrade package and reinstall package, but I don't have package. So I can do package, right? Package, right? Our package is going to be how do you get the thing at point? at point. Word at point? But it can be more than one word. Symbol at point. Word at point, symbol at point, sentence at point. I think it's either symbol or sentence or a word. So let's try with the symbol at point. What if I do it now? Symbol at point. Yeah. And I'm pretty sure that if I open the Python file here and I do symbol at point, yeah, it's print. So this is pretty good. I really like this. So I'm just gonna do that. So this is going to be a format with wait, can I do it conditional? Well, first of all, I gotta comma this, otherwise it's not gonna do anything. Symbol at point. But I can also do a NOR, maybe? Is it possible that I do like symbol at point here? What does it tell me if I do it here? Nil, right. So I can do or symbol at point or empty string. So either symbol at point or the empty string. Is that okay? Hope so. And I could also check for the file if it's there and do the same, basically. That would be nice, but I first want to check if this works. And I didn't evaluate. Right, add print. Let me install print, please. Pip install print. I don't know why I feel like you may install some malware doing that. Nice. Let's see. This is good. We have a pretty good init. But let's try to do it without anything at point. So menu, add, package. It's empty. But, man, it's empty, but it's highlighted. That's so annoying. Can you do an init where it's not gonna do this? I cannot think of a way that it's not ugly to do this. So I want whatever this item is in the list to be nil, basically. Actually, let's see what happens if I have also a nil element. Is it gonna complain? Are you going to complain? Oh no, it's not complaining. So I can have a nil thing. So I can do it kind of like this. If symbol at point, just do this. Otherwise, this we can delete, right? Otherwise, return nil. and this can go, this can go, this seems fine. Let's try it. Oh, nice. Okay, so this is good. This is pretty good. How can I check if a file exists? File exists. It's a primitive function. Return true if file name exists, whether or not you can read it. Okay. So we can do the same. Boop, 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 boop. How does it do this? Oh, it's a concat. Annoying. I think I'm ending up doing a let. Do I need a let start? No. So the first one is the file, right? Rec file, and the rec file is just going to be, well, I'm just going to use this. File exists p concat buffer file name, actually file name directory buffer file name, and requirements.txt. Right? Yeah, this is super long and annoying. So you go here, you go here. We don't need to close the let. The other one is the package. pkg is string p. Is it string p like this? String p, or without the thing? String p? Yeah, string p, symbol at point. Okay. So we got all this. Now what we can do, yeah, because we already know if it exists. So we don't need to concat anything anymore, right? Or yes, yes we do, but not here. And here, just do pkg for now. and oop. Yeah, my stream manager just crashed. Yep. All right, hope the stream did not crash. No, it didn't. Okay. So, yeah. So we can do here if file. So if we have a requirements file, we format this. We don't need to check this. What we need to do, is actually just concat the thing. So in this, we will put concat. Wait a second. Oh, okay. Or concat default direct. It's a variable. Default directory and elements.txt. So we have first file exists, just this one. The second file exists, which is this one. So if there's none of in both cases, yeah, we can just do that. We can just return nil, have it nil, filled with nil. So actually we can do when requirement file right. We can also do it in two different variables, just to make it maybe a little bit tidier. This is one, and the other one is going to be file the default directory, right? So we can do when or rec file dd, right? And we have either one of these. we can just concat them. So if rec file, so if rec file, let me check the diff, because I feel like I may have oh, right. The concat has to come from here. I want to concatenate the requirements and whatever with, at the end, with whatever it is that's in here. So it's either this, right? Or the default directory, and we concat it with that. Man, it's a little bit ugly. Maybe with let star would be better. I can build the variable step by step, but this should be okay, should work. So let's see. This is the format. This is the concat. Makes sense. And then the when. Nice. Now this should be the whole function. Can just add. Function is void pkg. Did I mess up? Oh, I messed up the parentheses here. Okay. And I messed them up here. So this should be like this, right? Neither package nor requirements. Why don't I have requirements? I thought I had them. No, I don't. That's pretty good. What if I create it? Txt, save it. Wait, what? Did I save this? Yes. Okay. I saved that. Let's try it again. Add. And now I do have a requirements file, which is enabled by default. That is good. That is good. That is good. I need to refactor this though. Add menu. So now that we have the add menu, we can just start building the command, probably. I don't think I can do any kind of fancy menu for these, like selection or consult menu for these. So these will just have to be write it down. Also for optional, maybe. Right. So let's yeah, let's try to do this. Let's see, maybe I can UV manage to do it like this. A little bit ugly. but okay. So let's get started with this. How many parameters do we have? We have something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, 13, 15. Looks like 15, so it's probably going to be like this. And now the boring part. So yeah. One is PA. Oh no, wait. What am I doing? 40. Then PA package. Then locked, frozen, 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 dev, dev, optional, editable. Oh, but this is so we said optional, editable, no sync. It's not good not to have a sync. Upgrade package, reinstall, then install package, install package, no cache, fresh, Python choice. That's it. Choice. Oh no, I think it's just Python. Yes. Python choice. This is no refresh. No cache. Reinstall package. Install upgrade package. Upgrade. No sync. Editable. Optional. Dead. Okay, this is done. So now what I want to do is just get rid of these, right? Probably. Get rid of these. Oh no. Yeah. This. Let's see, how can I do this? There's going to be extra stuff with it, but there's definitely going to be extra stuff. And then from here onwards, I want to. Do I have to put 2 of these? No. Maybe. No. Oh, okay. Toss into nothing. Yes, 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 yes. No. All right. No, there's trailing stuff. Well, it's fine. For now, it's fine. Right. And then the other thing, change all the vend references to add stuff. And this is going to be, do I need a path for this? No. That's good. I don't need format. Okay. So this seems good. Let's try to evaluate it. And let's try to see if it works. So add and dash R, I will not. I will just pass a package manually. Pandas. And wait, what? Value commands. Set, save. Oh my God, where are these coming from? Next value. What? I have no idea where those are coming from. Sticky commands. How did I enable that? I have no idea. Well, let's do pandas. Add. Compilation started, error. Oh, right. So the thing is that there is no real package argument. So what I need to do is the same thing as I think the init argument. In this UV parse function. I just need to add another statement like this, and this will be packaged. But it's 10. I think it's 10 more. Let's try it again. Add dash R, I don't need that. Package pandas and go. Add it. I mean, it worked. Pretty nice. So this worked. I mean, the UI is terrible. I'm really sorry about that. But I'm using the built-ins, so that's my excuse. Yeah, but this is working. Preparing packages. Look at this. Okay. This worked better than expected. So the nice thing about this is that, let's say that I have a package, I can do from, not from, import polars as PL. I think usually that's how it's imported. You see it's complaining, Pyrite is complaining because it cannot find it. Well, what I can do now is just UV menu, add, and oh, but I should get the package. Let's fix that. I should get the package and then in the symbol over there. Did I put it at a different level? Package is gonna just check if the symbol at point, right? Oh, it's checking if it's a string. Maybe it's not a string. What if I do when? Because if I do a when that it's nil, it's just gonna return nil, right? Right. So maybe I can do it like this, when with empty body. So when you have it, return it like this, return true, right? So let's do like this. Nice. All right, let's try this again. Let's see the compilation. UV add finished. Yes, it finished. Oh man, yeah, this is pretty sweet. Maybe they were added in the Pi project. Yes. Yeah, here it is. Okay. So let's go to the main file. Let's go back here. And now here. Oh no, I already fixed everything, so I can just test it. Yeah, now it works. Nice. So I don't have polars. I want it installed. I can just do UV menu and then add a dependency, and there it is, ready to be installed. And then A again. Man, I really have no idea how I enable these. I'll figure it out, I swear. But yeah. All right. I think this is pretty good progress. Yeah. So in the end, it's not too boring to do transient stuff, right, guys? I still want to have some better way of doing this, though. Oh man, did transient send all of you to sleep? I think it did. I think doing transient menus is just like a narcotic, just sending people to sleep. Oh wait. So this needs to be refactored for sure. This is horrible as it is right now. Right. Yeah, this is finished as well. Pretty good. So it works fine. I should test it a little bit with all the arguments. I really wonder what I did to unlock all of those options. Look, value commands, sticky commands, hide common commands. So it doesn't do anything. That's the funny thing. Huh. I wonder if it's a bug in transient, or I maybe enabled something somehow without noticing. Maybe when I did this, not this one, but the add command. This just popped up out of nowhere. I don't know. Maybe it's because of the arguments. Not sure. Really not sure. But anyways, I wanted to try and put them one next to the other. I think that maybe you can do that like this, like you put nested square brackets lists. I don't know. In Python, these would be lists. But let's try to check. Add. Yes, now they're put one next to the other. Although this is not very convenient. So what I will do is put the other ones one next to the other. This one, right? Did it work? I think it worked. And then this one. And I will also do the same for, oh no, this one doesn't have the cache and refresh option. Oh, no, don't do that. Oh, really? I was pretty sure I put the cache in other places as well. Yeah. It was actually just here. Oh no, it's here as well. Right? No. In the lock menu. Okay. And try to have a look at the lock menu. I didn't evaluate, probably. Lock menu. Yes, now those two are one next to the other, which I kind of like, to be honest. I do want it like set up like that. So let's try to use the lock. It worked pretty good. All right. We can also try to add, remove the R. NS no sync, RA reinstall, UPG upgrade, and C do not use the cache. Let's just throw a bunch of booleans and see if we break it. But Oh, I tried to install. Hello. Okay, that's pretty bad. Wait, why did it try to install that? Oh, I was on that string. Yeah, that's probably what did it. Let's do it like this. Add dependency dash R. So we said we want to do no sync locked reinstall upgrade and no cache polars. Nice result. Okay, it works. Pretty good. Pretty good. So I think this was pretty good progress. What I'm gonna do is commit and push these changes. It's a lot of stuff. There's some there's some things that I need to take care of. Refactor this, right? And I already wrote it here. The other thing is giving nice descriptions to the commands. Like here, there's no description for the upgrade or stuff like that. So I definitely need to integrate that and fix it. Like, yeah, just add nice descriptions. That would be ideal. The other thing that I should probably try to do is check the run integration. Maybe I can do something with this. I don't know. And also, if I manage to decouple the at point integration in the add, maybe I can do something where I use, so let's say that I have a let's say that I have a dependency like this. I can just do control period and then use embark act to just, yeah, I can just use embark act to then call the UV function, a UV function, and install the dependencies. That would be nice. I think that would be nice if I can create some kind of integration with embark. It would be similar to this, right? But integrate with embark. So, right. Let's commit these changes and push this. So I want to add this as well. This is the new. Oh. Well, actually, let me add it. Then add this as well. This is fine. This is fine. This is fine. Yeah. The add command. What I wanted to do here was removing all the spaces before end of line. No? Can I do that? No. Oh, I'm doing just query replace, not regex query replace. Nice. With nothing. Yes. And these are all fine. Let me add this as well. And yeah, I guess this is done. Add UV add command and add point integration. And I guess that's it. Can be pushed. Nice. So I guess I'm done for today. Thanks to all that joined. It was fun. At least I'm having some fun doing this, and hopefully I can polish it up and finish it up maybe by next week, and even try to put it on Melpa. Let's see if it's going to be good enough for Melpa. So yeah, I think I'm